Holistic Healing TV. I'm not gonna like that shit. Anyways, so we're talking about where does that worm tea come from? And this also can reference back to the ASMR video of the worm compost farm. But now it's way more developed. These worms are huge. It's actually insane. So now we're gonna show you each layer. As you can see, no onions, citrus, spicy peppers, dairy, fat, meat, or inorganic material. And definitely no grass clippings. This is the first layer. They're all hiding right now, but you can see a few, and those little yellow speckles there are all baby worms. A few maggots in there, which is fine. We've got the middle layer full of rich castings, and the top layer had a bunch of castings as well. I recently discovered the best way when you do the feedings is really to push all this stuff to the side from the top, because most of this will just fall. So push everything to the side, put the new food on one side that you moved, well, that's empty, from the side that you moved over, and then all the worms will migrate to where the food is, and then you can take the castings without losing any worms. Newspaper, paper towels, a few sprouts in there, but they'll all die off and get eaten. I'll show you the third layer. This is where the worm tea starts to pile up in, practically. Still got a few worms in here. But for the most part, they are here. The middle layer and the top layer. Again, they're all underneath. And that is the worm farm. And of course, all of the worm tea that was harvested, because it was dry in there. I did it recently, so I have about a gallon of worm tea, and it's really nice. Great fertilizer. And that pretty much concludes this video. Be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me what you think, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss a beat. Okay, here at Holistic Healing, Kelvin signing out.